this is true. Mental health does matter, and it's important we have this design. So like Black Lives Matter, mental health matters. We gotta pay attention to our mental health and make sure we're treating ourselves well. And I think that's pretty much center. So mental health matters. Looks good. Okay. Let's just iron this bitch on and see what happens. All the way to the corners, all the way to the top. Let's go. Mental health matters. And I think I'm gonna put the Willpower Beach Bikini on her, but yeah, just a quick peel. I love how that looks with the white on the edge. That came out dope. It came out dope. Let's make sure it's in there forever. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. Mental health matters. And this time I learned from the last time that you have to put a t-shirt underneath it, or what I like to do is put a little piece of underwear or something to balance it out, so you can put a logo right on top. Trusty old parchment paper and go. Nice and hot on there. And shirt number 2 is done, son.